more stuck buses ahead of me. Hopefully I can get through. This road is a little icy. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to get through that next one. He's chosen to stick right in the middle of the road. Nice and easy. Oh, somebody's motorcycle got knocked over. This big homeless camp on the left here. There's a whole bunch of tents on this little triangle next to the Highway 99. They're all snowed in. I don't see any fires, but there's several propane tanks. Okay, let's merge. Yeah, so you can see not many people are on the road today. And I think I'll put it back in four-wheel drive. If there's ice on the bridge, four-wheel drive is a little more helpful. Not for braking, but for going. I'm amazed at how little traffic there is. Really? A motorcycler on a Vespa? I guess if it's your only vehicle. This is a quick little kitchen project I'm doing while there are other things going on at the big project, and so there's not much I can do over there right now, and these folks have been waiting several months to get this kitchen done, so here I am.
I mean, it has iced up this bad. I'd rather you just stay down there. And
road here is just iced.
Well, okay. Go pay attention and drive, and please find a safe place to stay.
Yeah. Okay, Toots. I will talk to you later.
Okay, call me when you get settled in. Love you, bye.
Love you too. Bye. Alright, here is dinner for tonight. A fresh Edda pizza. Picked it up at Fred Meyer's for, I don't know, I think it was like $5. Look good. And I'm going to put on top of that some mushrooms, onions, and a little more cheese. So I have to light the oven now. So the oven's not automatic. So I'm going to put that on like this. I've got the pilot going, and let's get this here lit, and there we go. There, got the pilot going, and run some water over my paper towel lighter stick so that it doesn't keep smoking. Now I can turn the stove back off. Pot light's going. Let's crank that oven up, baby. 350 degrees. Actually, I think it goes up higher than that. But what's nice about the oven cooking here is I'm going to make a pizza and heat the truck camper, at the same time, because it is snowing in Seattle. It's cold out, like in the low 20s, mid to low 20s, and there we go. So that is going to heat the oven up to 350 degrees, maybe 400 if the directions say to. But not only am I going to cook myself a tasty, delicious pizza, I'm also going to heat the truck camper without having to run the furnace. And the furnace is at 12.5 degrees. Let me turn the furnace off, and you will see the voltage spike upwards. It'll probably go back to 12.8, something like that. So let's let the furnace do its thing for a minute. So yeah, anyway, let's put the pizza down here where I can work on it. Get a couple of mushrooms out of this. I'm kind of doing it the easy way tonight. I just bought sliced mushrooms so that I don't have to mess with it. And then I have to chop my onion yet. So I'll just have to go and chop the onion and then show you the onion when it's on. Okay, so the furnace stopped. And I'm kind of making a little bit of a mess. So I have a nasty habit of when I start doing a build at home or an add-on pizza to turn it into a mountain instead of a pizza. So you see we went up to 12.7 and the battery may recover even further up to 12.8 volts. And a certain female stole all of my cheese. Darn it. Okay, I guess I will just have a little extra mushroom on my pizza and call it good. So, okay, well, there you go. Pizza's going in a few minutes, and I will be eating pizza. I guess while I'm thinking about it, I can show you what the weather conditions are like outside. See that? Snow, ice, everywhere. Cold. Look at that parking lot. That is gnarly. Okay. I'm letting all my heat out. You can kind of see some of the ice on the camper there. So you know it's cold.